got that Fuji La lit up. That killer, roll big L's uptown, go figure. Fuck with the Zilla, none one rilla. Mention my name, you better pay my lawyer. Got a Bible on my best thing, and condoms in my left hand. I just wanna party with my kinfolk and kick it with an info. I pray the preacher save my soul. I hate it when they hate on low, but love me when they play my shows. Whoa, they just wanna take my role. They wish they could say they was salt. I don't give a light skin, half Haitian, damn. If you understand what it mean to be me. Mama tell me they won't see you, they...
Hey guys, I'm here with a very special unboxing from Grain Theory. I've been waiting for this thing for about 3 weeks now, and so I just really can't wait, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So basically, I ordered it, but for some reason it didn't ship in the warehouse, so like I had to wait extra long, so that's why it says so sorry for the delay from Matt. Alright, so he gave me a bunch of stickers. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Tons of stickers. Wow. And then here's the Nalma bag. Got the maple walnut black and tan. Yep, that's it. So, ooh, that is nice. Wow, I got a bunch of stickers. Oh dang. Looks like I got a mini deal with it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I got a ton of stickers. Got a bunch of beads, bunch of string. Man, this is sick. Thanks, Matt. Hope I don't lose any beads. Put these back. Alright, so yeah, here it is. GT black and tan. So nice. Lunar balance on point. Got that GT here and right here. Alright, so I'm gonna string this up, see how it looks. Alright, here it is, guys. GT black and tan. Hope you guys enjoyed.